Hello guys, Pak Lu from Bali Handyman is here reporting for duties from Lemak Loft in Uluwatu. Today I will be installing an anti-slip tape on the flooring right here because when it gets wet, it gets very slippery and that is dangerous. Let's see how it goes. Okay, the installation is almost complete because run out of tape. Now it would install here at the edges of the entrance. The first step, second step. This hasn't been done, that hasn't been done. So I have to get more tape and back to continue. Well, I guess that's it for today. I see you guys in another project. Happy sweaty day!